thinks that when the skewers come out, it's time for kabobs. But we're going to use them to add an organic element to a thrift store vase. This is an easy way to add a natural texture to a space while keeping the item you're adding it to functional. You'll need hot glue gun, a vase, wood skewers, a drop cloth, and spray paint. Spray paint the vase over a drop cloth. This will give it a nice base coat, which is especially important if your skewers are shorter than the vase. Once the paint has fully dried, hot glue the skewers vertically onto the vase. Since my skewers are shorter than the vase, I'm alternating their direction and position to create a pattern. Run glue near both ends of the skewer. Hold a few seconds until the glue sets. And wipe off any excess glue as you go. Once you have a few skewers down, you can use them as a guide to run the glue down the vase for the next one. Continue all the way around until the entire vase is covered. On the fly, DIY.